Hello, welcome if you are switching this video first time, and welcome back if you are watching me continuously. My dear friends, this is Pragati Mishra from Uttar Pradesh, and through this channel I am sharing my progress to get fluency in my speaking English. Okay. Yes, I am learning English too. Step by step, day by day, I am trying to improve my speaking. That's why I'm sharing with you all whatever I am. And sometimes I talk, yes, real talks too. I share real talks too. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that in past few days I'm practicing English with free resources. Okay, nowadays we all are digital, and you all know that um, we all having Android phone. Okay, if not, then don't worry also, because always be an optimistic person. Okay, and if you are trying to learn something but confused between the material, which material should we use, so let me tell you my suggestion that please, without overthinking, start your journey today with whatever the free resources are available and whatever the resources you know. For example, if I talk about myself, in past few days I started learning vocabs. Okay, and okay, let me tell you step by step and serial wise. Okay, so the first resource which I use is free apps. Okay, there are a lot of free apps to learn English, or you can say in our Android phone there should be a app which should provide us material to speak, to content to speak. Okay, so if I take the names, the first one is Duolingo, then English Cake. Okay, these are the apps which you can also use. Yes, these are absolutely free of cost. Now the second is, there are a lot of websites, Google's and website. If you don't know any word or you are confused in the meaning of any vocab words, you can just click, you can search it on any of dictionary. For example, Oxford dictionary is there. I will tell you one very important thing. My elder sister, she always kept a dictionary. Okay, because she was an she taken English in their post graduation, so always she kept a dictionary, and that dictionary she bought by collecting money. That was Oxford dictionary. Yes, it was not free of cost. It was very costly at that time, but nowadays these are available online, you can access them. Now the third point is, you can take a lot of practice sessions online. You can watch, first you should watch the practice sessions. It is available on YouTube also. There are a lot of apps, sorry, channels. Okay, yes, actually yesterday I was going through my feed and I got this one that was interesting one, and I learned a lot of daily usable words which I can use. So likewise, you can also choose any word and keep it inside your brain. It will be helpful while conversation. So my dear friends, use listen, always listen conversations. You can listen podcast. Sometime you can shadow some English musics. Lot of people are fond of English music, and that's why they learn English. If you are not fond of, then don't worry, you can listen podcasts. Okay, now the third point is, use your YouTube wisely, because my dear friends, a lot of distractions are here. But if you are aiming aiming to get aiming to learn something, you should be consistent through a single through uh, your efforts. So do a little effort every day. Don't forget or don't miss a single day to reach your aim. So, my dear friends, use your YouTube wisely and surround yourself with English channels. And sometimes, if you are going through Instagram, then you can follow up those pages who always post or send English videos. By listening such videos, your mind will train, and at the time came will when your mouth will start speaking easily. So this was 4 point which I follow. And my dear friends, don't worry if you are worried to spend money. There are no extra classes needed. Just do this first. If you reach at a level, then you can also start your speaking by learning your grammar. Okay, grammar is last step, but before this you have to follow these steps which I told today. I am following this. You can see the improvement. I'm feeling it and I'm improving it a lot. I'm improving it too. Still I am a learner. You can't say that I'm perfect, because no one is perfect. And every perfect, or you can say every fast speaker or every fluent speaker once were a beginner. So if you are beginner, don't hesitate. Speak today, start today, and take your first step. If you had taken your first step, then keep moving forward. Hopefully you will reach your goal. So let's stop here, and I will meet you in my upcoming video. Till then, take care and bye bye.